This guy takes testing to the extreme, submerging a Russian AK-47 underwater in a river, then adds sand to gauge its firepower and operational efficiency. He then adds sand to test if the AK-47 will still function, and his reaction at the end is priceless. He then notices smoke coming out when he pulls the trigger, and the charging handle is slow, but in the end, the rifle still operates. Do you think an AK-47 will still operate when buried in mud? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
U.S. military service members fire an M2 Browning .50 caliber heavy machine gun in full auto mode during live-fire training. M2 Browning machine gun is capable of firing up to 550 rounds per minute, depending on the variant and configuration. These rounds are effective against both personnel and lightly armored vehicles. The weapon's high rate of fire allows for rapid suppression of enemy positions and provides substantial firepower support to ground troops. It can be mounted on various platforms, including vehicles, aircraft, and naval vessels. Its versatility allows it to fulfill multiple roles, such as providing fire support, defending convoys, engaging enemy aircraft, and suppressing enemy positions during ground operations. This brave woman fired a full 200-round belt of M249 squad automatic weapon machine gun ammo into the river.
Yeah, the clear one. It's not gonna kick.
Her reaction at the end was priceless. U.S. Army and Marine Corps service members fire foreign assault rifles at a live-fire range during an exercise, adding a bit of variety to their training. Watch as U.S. Army soldiers unleash the formidable firepower of the M240B machine gun, mounted on a vehicle and firing from the ground in full auto mode. Experience the raw power and precision of this heavy weapon as it delivers sustained fire during training exercises. Don't miss the intensity and skill of these soldiers as they demonstrate the versatility and effectiveness of the M240B in action.